Garlic, and we're at the Chocolate Bar in Reno, Nevada. Today I'm going to show you how to make a martini with Kahlua and Baileys. It's better known as the mudslide. And the best way to remember how to make a mudslide is to remember this acronym. Very bad kids cry. Vodka, Baileys, Kahlua, cream. Learned that in bartending school 10 years ago. Okay, so what we do is we're going to put ice in the glass. We're going to do 1 ounce of vodka. Today we're using Kettle One. 1, 2. We're going to do 1 ounce of Kahlua. 2. And 1 ounce of Baileys. 2. And cream. Shake it up. And I'm going to go get a chilled martini glass. And just to make it fun, I'm going to rim the glass with whipped cream. Do a little rimming. Swirl it around. Get all pretty. And strain into the chilled martini glass. And then we're going to dust it off with some cocoa powder. And that is the martini with Kahlua and Baileys. I'm Gail Gramlich. Come see us at the Chocolate Bar in Reno, Nevada.